Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make a year recap on your Instagram reel. First up, open your Instagram application. And here, first step that we can do is go to your profile page. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Here on your profile page, tap on the plus icon at the top right. And then once you tap on the plus icon, you can now basically select the reel option, and then here you can just select the videos or reels or pictures that you can add to your reel. So select one here on your gallery. So as you can see here, we have several pictures or videos that we can add, and then tap on the next button at the bottom right, and then here you can just select your audio. As you can see, it will automatically sync your clips to any track. Then once you select your audio or soundtrack, you just need to select the text at the bottom right, or you just need to click on skip. So as you can see, the current video that we are going to use, and if you're going to tap on the edit video here, you can just basically select the videos or pictures that you want to edit. For example, the size of this video, you just select the current video here, and then at the bottom you'll find the option which says crop. So you can resize any of the image or video right from here. So you just have to zoom in or zoom out. So zoom in to maximize. Alright, so once done, you can now select any of the video here on your reels. Okay, for example, this one again at the bottom, just slide to right and select crop, and you can manually zoom in to fit into your screen. So just select any of the video, and once you've done here, you can now tap to add text right here at the bottom. So this time, I'm going to showcase the videos from year or last year. So just type here, thank you for an amazing 2023. Now, as you can see, you have a lot of options. You can basically use this like font style right over here. So it depends on your preference, font style that you want to add. For example, this one. And I'm going to add some exclamation point. And also we have some options. For example, at the top we have like a font style that you want to add, or you can basically just edit the alignment. So as you can see, we have some background effects on the fonts, or you can just disable this effects right over here. Right, so once you've done customizing the text, as you can see here, so once you select the text that you want, so you just have to basically tap on done, and you can now start to share this to your reel. So as you can see, you can now adjust the size or length of the audio text to be shown from the beginning up to the end of the video. So once done, you can just create another design or emojis right from here. And then once done, you just have to tap on the arrow right there at the top right. Or you can basically preview first your changes, as you can see here. So this is the year recap from 2023 using the Instagram Reels. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.